I've been on a journey in this video trying to find some good lighting in this car, and it's slowly moving away from me, but that's okay. We are gonna run inside and do our first yarn haul of 2026. I'm still getting very used to saying that. The whole first week of this year, which was 1 week ago, I kept going happy birthday to people instead of happy new year. What's happening with me this year? Anyway, we're gonna go do our first yarn haul. I'm looking for blacks, whites, pinks, and grays, and in another video I will tell you why I'm particularly looking for those colors. But let's head in the store because I'm about to lose all my light. I almost forgot one of the most important things. My best friend got me this bag for Christmas, and I am so deeply obsessed with it. But when we get our new yarn, we're going to place it in the top here. Nope. We're gonna place it in the top here because I'm so the fact that it snaps and I can just open the bag and pull. Don't even get me started. But I do have a few things in here already, all these little purple and rosy girlies, and so we're gonna put our new yarn in here together to fill out my bag because it's so sad and empty right now. Well, those are pretty, but it's so empty, and I need to use this to its full potential. Okay, I don't know what happened. I got in the store and I think the spirit of Valentine's Day like took over my body because I only looked at pinks. I only bought pinks. That was not the plan, but it got me. It got me, girls. So we got pinks only. So let's look at the ones we got so we can put them into our bag together. These are also much bigger skeins than I usually buy. Usually I get the cake ones that are, you know, like a little cake, and so they fit in better. I'm probably gonna have to take all these bad boys out of their paper sheath and wind them myself into balls of yarn, but I don't know. I haven't done this yet, so let's see what happens. Okay, we're almost at capacity, but that's okay. So I did get this. What is this called? Actually, I should look at the color name, shouldn't I? It's called Pink. What a revelation that it's just called Pink. So now, you know what? I don't know if it's really trying to fit in here with my one hand currently, but I can fit one in. So there we go. And then this one is, what is this one? Oh, light pink. The descriptive names. The sheer creativity that went into these names. I'm obsessed. I would have called this like cotton candy or something. I don't know. Let's see. Will it fit? Okay. We got two. Okay. And then I got this. I bet it's called Peach, right? Peach. Blush. Oh, blush. Okay. So that was going to be my second guess. I got this blush. So we have these 3 pinks. Is this one going to fit too? I hope. Look at this. This is the most amazing bag. Okay, and then I had to get a fun one. I don't even know what I'm going to do with this because it's not really part of what I'm going to be working on. But look at it. Look at it. It's so pretty. I told you the spirit of Valentine's Day came through me. Okay, final test. Let's see if this fits. This is remarkable, incredible, audacious, some would say. I can't believe it'll fit in there. That's incredible. So yeah, it just snaps right here. If you didn't see my story short, whatever they're called, I did about it. And you know what? Honestly, I feel like I could fit something else in here too. So I got all pinks. I don't want to reveal why I was looking allegedly for black, gray, white, and pink. Totally. But it has something to do with ballet. It has something to do with wanting to do something to give back to the ballet community. And yeah, so that's why I was searching for pinks because I wanted to get a true ballet pink, which I think the light pink, I have a lot of thoughts about what is ballet pink. We don't have to get into it, but I think the light pink is the closest. But I don't know, like these remind me of my canvas ballet shoes that I used to wear in class. And I don't know if we can get all the way back down to the true peak, but yeah, they all just scream ballet to me, so I had to get one of each, and I'm going to try to do this project that I'm coming up with throughout the year. So this is a good start. We can always go back and get black, white, and gray. Those colors never go out of style. So yeah, this is where we're starting. I'm really excited. Thank you for watching. Mwah.